Hello everyone and welcome back. Today let us make a delicious sweet potato salad. This salad is not only tasty but also so filling that it can easily replace a meal. It is a fantastic option for a light dinner, perfect for those days when you want something quick, healthy and satisfying. So let's get started. Take 200 grams of sweet potato and chop into small cubes. Steam the sweet potato for about 8 to 10 minutes. While that's steaming, we'll prepare a salad dressing. Heat a pan and add some raw peanuts. Roast the peanuts until they turn crunchy. Let them cool and then we'll transfer it to a mixer jar. Add a green chili, jaggery, salt, lemon juice and a little water. Blend everything into a fine paste and our salad dressing is ready. Now let's check on the sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are steamed. Once the potatoes are steamed, let them cool and then transfer it to a bowl. Add chopped green, red and yellow capsicum, grated carrot and sweet corn. Pour over the salad dressing and toss everything together. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves and roasted sesame seeds. And there you have it, a healthy, wholesome and delicious salad. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Thank you for watching.